A high-quality gaming keyboard can make all the difference in performance, responsiveness, and comfort. Logitech, a leader in gaming peripherals, offers some of the best keyboards designed for gamers of all levels. Whether you need ultra-fast mechanical switches, customizable RGB lighting, or advanced macro features, Logitech has a perfect option for you. In this list, we explore the top 5 Logitech gaming keyboards that stand out for their durability, precision, and cutting-edge technology. From wireless freedom to lightning-fast actuation, these keyboards enhance your gaming experience and give you the competitive edge. Let's dive into the best Logitech gaming keyboards designed to boost your gameplay and efficiency. Number 1. Logitech G515 Gaming Keyboard. The Logitech G515 Lightspeed TKL is a high-performance wireless gaming keyboard built for speed, precision, and durability. Its Lightspeed wireless technology ensures ultra-fast response times, making it ideal for competitive gamers. The low-profile 10-keyless design saves desk space and enhances portability without compromising functionality. Featuring tactile, brown, mechanical switches, it provides a satisfying keystroke feel with precise actuation. The double-shot PBT keycaps add durability, ensuring long-lasting performance. LightSync RGB offers full customization, allowing you to personalize lighting effects to match your setup. Whether you're gaming or typing, the Logitech G515 delivers a smooth, responsive, and immersive experience. Designed for comfort and efficiency, it's an excellent choice for any serious gamer. Number 2. Logitech G915 X Gaming Keyboard. The Logitech G915 X Lightspeed Low Profile wireless gaming keyboard combines advanced features with sleek design for a top-tier gaming experience. With Lightspeed wireless technology, enjoy lag-free performance and a reliable connection, perfect for competitive gaming. The low-profile design with double-shot PBT keycaps ensures durability and a premium feel under your fingers. Fully programmable keys allow for customizable macros, giving you a competitive edge. The RGB backlighting enhances your gaming setup with vibrant colors and customizable lighting effects. Featuring GL Blue clicky switches, it offers satisfying tactile feedback for those who prefer a clicky typing experience. Built with a sleek aluminum finish, this keyboard provides both performance and style, compatible with both PC and Mac. Number 3. Logitech G213 Gaming Keyboard. The Logitech G213 wired gaming keyboard offers a perfect balance of performance and durability for gamers. Featuring dedicated media controls, you can easily adjust volume, skip tracks, and pause music without interrupting your game. The 16.8 million lighting colors of the customizable RGB backlighting provide vibrant and dynamic lighting effects, allowing you to personalize your gaming setup. Built to withstand intense gaming sessions, the keyboard features a spill-resistant and durable design that ensures longevity, even under tough conditions. Its responsive membrane switches offer a tactile typing experience, while the sturdy frame enhances stability during gameplay. With dedicated multimedia keys and customizable RGB, this keyboard delivers both style and functionality for PC gamers. Number 4. Logitech G710 Gaming Keyboard. The Logitech G710 mechanical gaming keyboard is designed for serious gamers who demand both performance and reliability. Equipped with Cherry MX Brown mechanical key switches, this keyboard provides a tactile feel and quiet actuation for precise keystrokes. The RGB backlighting allows for customizable lighting, letting you set the mood or highlight important keys during intense gaming moments. Featuring dedicated media controls and programmable keys, the G710 enables seamless game and media management. Its ergonomic design with soft-touch palm rests ensures long-lasting comfort during extended gaming sessions. Additionally, it's built with durable construction, ensuring it withstands the wear and tear of heavy usage. This keyboard is an ideal choice for gamers seeking a blend of performance, comfort, and customization. Number 5. Logitech G915 TKL Gaming Keyboard. Logitech G915 TKL 10-keyless Lightspeed wireless RGB mechanical gaming keyboard combines high-end performance with sleek design. Featuring low-profile mechanical switches, it delivers a responsive, tactile feel for precise and fast key presses, ideal for competitive gaming. The LightSync RGB offers customizable lighting effects, adding a personal touch to your setup. With Lightspeed wireless technology and Bluetooth support, you can enjoy a lag-free, reliable connection whether you're gaming or working. The 10-keyless design saves space, making it perfect for compact setups or on-the-go gaming. The keyboard's durable aluminum frame ensures longevity, while its long-lasting battery supports up to 40 hours of gameplay with lighting at full brightness, ideal for gamers who need flexibility, speed, and style in one device.